What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, after 4 months of just letting it sit, I finally came back down to Atlanta area to, get my ML500 back on the road. Yeah, I've been neglecting it for a while. I've been too busy driving the C240, but now time to get back to the ML500. It's been sitting for about 4 months. The keys were with me in New York. Nobody has started the truck, so I don't even know, the battery might be dead. Let's see if the battery is even good. Oh, the door lock's open, so the battery might actually be good. It might got enough battery power. What is this? Oh my God, is that a dead moth? Wow. Ugh. Yeah, I've been neglecting it far too long. Let's see if it starts. Uh-oh, got some battery power. Wow. 4 months of sitting, and it started right up. What the hell is this? Got 121,431 miles. Still got the check engine light on for evap code. And it says I have no gas in it, but the vehicle's sitting on a hill, so it got more gas than it says, but I still do need to go put gas in it. Yeah, this truck's been sitting for 4 months. I'm surprised it started right up. I thought I was going to need to give it a jump. Okay. Okay, I gotta clean up back here. Straighten up the stuff, take my detail equipment out of the trunk of the 240, put it in here. Free up my trunk space in the C240. I'm getting this on the road very soon. Yeah, this has sat too long. Definitely gonna need an oil change after sitting 4 months. I'm definitely gonna need to do an oil change on it. But I can't complain. It's running. Definitely got to get that seat reupholstered. I got a power steering leak, because this was doing this before and I had to put power steering fluid. Yeah, I think I got a power steering leak. I'll check that out in a little while. Yeah, we're taking the ML500 for a spin around the subdivision real quick, just to see if it still drives good. So far, so good. Got my son with me. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
You don't want to talk. Yeah, it drives pretty good. But like I said, I'm gonna have to take it to get an oil change and get that evap code clear so I can take it for emissions and get it to pass emissions and put it on the road. And what I'm probably gonna start doing is I'm gonna get a trailer and I'll put the trailer on the hitch on the back of this truck, and I'll trailer the C240. I'll pretty much drive this truck and trailer the C240 everywhere I go. This way I won't be putting too much mileage on the C240. You know, I still got stuff I need to do to that car also. And I'm working hard on my next car that I want to add to the channel. I'm not going to reveal what type of car that is. I'm pretty much decided on what I want the next vehicle to be. I'll surprise y'all. I'm not going to tell y'all right now. No, I don't have the money to buy it right this second, but I will. And I should have it within the next few months. I still haven't decided whether I want to buy one that's a little damaged, that needs some body work, maybe even with a salvage title, and rebuild it. That's more than likely what I'll do. I'll probably get one from Copart or something with a little damage. Hopefully I can find one with a clean title with some damage. But all I'm gonna say is that It's a European car, and it's a sports car. It's two-door. Might possibly get a convertible, and it's real nice. That's all I'm going to say. I'll let y'all speculate and try to figure out what kind of car it's going to be. Well, back in the driveway.